to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this popcorn stitch. It's a beautiful stitch with just little bobbles, and it's different to the bobble stitch. They're much bigger, and the popcorn stitch I really enjoy because it's not quite as stiff and as tricky as the big bobbles here. All I've done to start with is whatever the pattern says, so in this case it's a garter stitch background. Okay, so I've done my rows of garter stitch, and then your pattern might say, you know, knit 4 stitches and then you make your popcorn. So there we go, we are now ready to make our popcorn stitch. This is quite different from the bobble stitch, okay. Do try and knit a bit looser where you will be popcorning. It does make life a lot easier. So the first thing you're going to do is yarn round and knit the stitch, but don't pull it off that left needle. Then you're going to purl into the back of the stitch, okay? But you don't need to bring your yarn round to the front. There we go, a bit closer for you. So it's the back of the stitch like that. Yarn round, pull that over, but don't pull it off the left hand needle. And we'll knit into the front again, whoops. Rescued, okay, so knit round into the front again, don't pull it off your left needle, and purl into the back. So you're doing a knit, purl, okay, so 4 times, so that one stitch has turned into 4, so it's grown 3 more stitches. Then just carry on whatever your pattern says. You might be making more bobbles, you might be knitting to the end, and then the next row I will show you what to do. Fabulous, so turn your work around, ready to knit again. Empty needle in your right hand. Okay, so we knit as normal until we come to those popcorn stitches that we increased. And you'll know when you get up to it. Okay, so here it is. Give them a quick count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we know we're at the right bit. And then what you want to do is slip 3 stitches onto your right hand needle. So from the left, slip 3 stitches to the right. I like to do them one by one, to be honest. Okay, and then knit that 4th stitch. And then you want to pull the 3 stitches over that 4th stitch. So the 3 stitches that we slipped that haven't been worked, pull them over. You can aim to get your needle in all 3, but there's no prizes for that, so you can do it one by one if you wanted. Fabulous, I'll just go to the end and then I'll show you what the popcorn stitch looks like. Brilliant, so here we go, it's just a nice subtle little, oh, that's hard to say, subtle little bobble that's just raised there. There is a back side of the work and that looks relatively flat. And then if I zoom in for you, there we go, focus for you. So we have just a nice little popcorn bobble stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're ready to go and have a go at popcorning yourself. Do check out the other videos I've got on the different knitting stitches. Thank you and take care.